Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot CRM for custom property setup, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the HubSpot login page. Enter your email address in the appropriate field. Click on the next button. Type your password into the password field. Click on the login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Locate the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Hover over the settings icon. Click on Properties in the left sidebar. Select the Custom Properties tab. Click on the Create Property button. Fill in the required fields for your new custom property. Choose the property type that best fits your data needs. Define the property label clearly for easy identification. Add any additional descriptions or field instructions if necessary. Set the field options according to your preferences. Decide if the property should be visible to all users or restricted. Click on the Save button to finalize your new custom property. Your new property will now be available for use in your CRM. Return to the main dashboard to manage your new custom property. Review your properties to ensure they meet your requirements. Keep your custom properties updated as your business needs change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.